Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of high-yield savings accounts. If you've ever wondered how to make your money work harder for you, this is the place to start. High-yield savings accounts offer much better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your savings grow faster over time. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to open one, what to look for, and how to maximize your benefits. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a big purchase, or just want to see your money grow, understanding high-yield savings is a smart financial move. Let's get started by understanding what makes these accounts special. High-yield savings account is a type of savings account that offers a much higher interest rate compared to standard savings accounts. This means your money earns more just by sitting in the account. These accounts are typically offered by online banks, credit unions, and some traditional banks. The main advantage is the higher annual percentage yield, or APY, which can help your savings grow faster. However, it's important to understand any requirements or limitations, such as minimum balances or withdrawal restrictions. Knowing these basics will help you decide if a high-yield savings account is right for you. Why should you consider a high-yield savings account? The main reason is simple: you earn more interest on your savings. Over time, even a small difference in interest rates can add up to significant extra money. High-yield accounts are also generally safe, insured by the FDIC or NCUA, just like regular savings accounts. Plus, many online banks offer these accounts with no monthly fees and easy online access. If you want your money to grow with minimal risk, a high-yield savings account is a great option to consider. First step to opening a high-yield savings account is to research your options. Not all banks offer the same rates or features, so it's important to compare. Look for banks or credit unions with competitive APYs, low or no fees, and good customer reviews. Online banks often provide the best rates because they have lower overhead costs. Make a list of potential banks and note their requirements, such as minimum deposit amounts or balance requirement. Taking the time to research will help you find the account that best fits your needs and financial goals. Once you've narrowed down your choices, it's time to check the specific requirements for each account. Some high-yield savings accounts require a minimum opening deposit, while others may have ongoing balance requirements to earn the highest APY. Make sure you understand any monthly maintenance fees, withdrawal limits, or other conditions. Knowing these details in advance will help you avoid surprises and ensure you can meet the requirements to maximize your earnings. Always read the fine print before making your final decision. Before you apply, gather the necessary documents. Most banks will ask for personal identification, such as a driver's license or passport, your social security number, and proof of address. Having these documents ready will make the application process smoother and faster. Some banks may also require employment or income information. Double-check the bank's website for a complete list of required documents so you're fully prepared when you start your application. Now you're ready to apply for your high-yield savings account. Most banks offer an easy online application process that takes just a few minutes. You'll enter your personal information, upload your documents, and agree to the bank's terms. If you prefer, you can also visit a branch in person, though online banks may not have physical locations. After submitting your application, you may need to verify your identity or provide additional information. Once approved, you'll receive instructions on how to fund your new account. After your account is approved, it's time to make your initial deposit. Most banks allow you to transfer money electronically from another bank account, or you can deposit a check. Some accounts require a minimum deposit to activate, so be sure to meet this requirement. Funding your account promptly ensures you start earning interest right away. Keep in mind that it may take a day or two for the funds to appear, depending on the bank's processing times. Once your account is funded, set up your online banking access. This allows you to monitor your balance, transfer funds, and manage your account from anywhere. Create a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Many banks also offer mobile apps for convenient access on the go. Setting up online access makes it easy to keep track of your savings and take advantage of all the features your high-yield account offers. Make managing your money even easier. Link your high-yield savings account to your other bank accounts. This allows you to transfer money in and out as needed. Most banks provide simple instructions for linking external accounts, often requiring you to verify small test deposits. Once linked, you can set up automatic transfers to help you save consistently. This step is especially useful if you want to automate your savings and watch your balance grow over time. With your account set up, it's a great time to set some savings goals. Decide what you're saving for. Maybe it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a big purchase. Many banks offer tools to help you track your progress and stay motivated. Setting clear goals makes it easier to stick to your savings plan and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you watch your balance grow. Remember, even small, regular deposits can add up over time. Regularly monitoring your high-yield savings account is important to ensure everything is running smoothly. Check your balance, review transactions, and make sure you're earning the expected interest. Many banks send alerts for deposits, withdrawals, or unusual activity, so take advantage of these features. Staying on top of your account helps you catch any issues early and keeps you focused on your savings goals. While high-yield savings accounts are a great tool, there are some common pitfalls to avoid. Watch out for accounts with hidden fees or requirements that are hard to meet. Be aware of withdrawal limits, as exceeding them can result in penalties. Also, keep an eye on your APY, as rates can change over time. By staying informed and reading the fine print, you can avoid these issues and make the most of your savings. APY, or annual percentage yield, is a key factor in high-yield savings accounts. It represents the real rate of return, taking into account the effect of compounding interest. The higher the APY, the more your money will grow over time. When comparing accounts, always look at the APY rather than just the interest rate. This will give you a clearer picture of your potential earnings. Remember, APY can change, so it's wise to keep an eye on your account's rate. Searching for a high-yield savings account, you'll find options from both banks and credit unions. Online banks often offer the highest APYs, but credit unions can also be competitive. Consider factors like customer service, ease of access, and additional features. Some people prefer the personal touch of a credit union, while others like the convenience and technology of online banks. Take your time to compare and choose the institution that best fits your need. Online banks have become popular for high-yield savings accounts because they typically offer higher rates and lower fees. Traditional banks may offer more physical locations and in-person service, but their rates are often lower. Think about what matters most to you: convenience, technology, or personal service. Both options are safe, but online banks usually have the edge when it comes to maximizing your savings. One of the best things about high-yield savings accounts is that they're safe. Most are insured by the FDIC for banks or NCUA for credit unions, which means your money is protected up to $250,000 per depositor. Always check that your chosen bank or credit union is properly insured before opening an account. This insurance gives you peace of mind, knowing your savings are secure no matter what happens. Compounding interest is what makes high-yield savings accounts so powerful. This means you earn interest not just on your original deposit, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. The more frequently interest is compounded, the faster your savings will grow. Some accounts compound daily while others do so monthly. Understanding how compounding works can help you choose the best account and maximize your earnings. Some high-yield savings accounts require you to maintain a minimum balance to earn the highest APY or avoid fees. Make sure you're comfortable with these requirements before opening an account. If you think you might dip below the minimum, look for accounts with no balance requirements. This way, you can avoid fees and still enjoy the benefits of a high-yield account. Be aware of any monthly fees or charges that could eat into your savings. Many high-yield accounts are fee-free, but some may charge if you don't meet certain requirements. Always read the fee schedule before opening an account. Even small fees can add up over time, reducing your overall earnings. Choose an account that fits your habits and helps you keep more of your hard-earned money. High-yield savings accounts often have limits on how many withdrawals you can make each month, typically up to 6. Exceeding this limit can result in fees or account restrictions. Plan your transfers and withdrawals carefully to avoid penalties. If you need frequent access to your money, consider whether a savings account is the right fit or look for accounts with more flexibility. Most high-yield savings accounts come with robust mobile banking features. You can check your balance, transfer funds, and even deposit checks using your smartphone. Look for banks with highly rated apps and user-friendly interfaces. Mobile banking makes it easy to manage your savings on the go and stay connected to your financial goals. Good customer service can make a big difference, especially if you have questions or run into issues. Check reviews and ratings for the banks you're considering. Look for 24/7 support, live chat, or responsive email service. A helpful customer service team can save you time and frustration, ensuring your banking experience is smooth and stress-free. One of the best ways to grow your savings is to automate your deposits. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your high-yield savings account. This way, you save without even thinking about it. Automation helps you stay consistent and reach your goals faster. Many banks let you customize the amount and frequency, so you can find a plan that works for you. Regularly tracking your savings progress keeps you motivated and on target. Many banks offer online tools or mobile app features that show your balance growth and interest earned. Use these tools to celebrate milestones and adjust your savings plan as needed. Watching your money grow can be incredibly rewarding and encourages you to stick with your savings habits. Interest rates on high-yield savings accounts can change over time, depending on the economy and the bank's policies. Keep an eye on your account's APY and be prepared to switch banks if you find a better rate elsewhere. Staying informed ensures you always get the most out of your savings. Many people review their accounts annually to make sure they're still getting a competitive rate. Transferring funds to and from your high-yield savings account is usually quick and easy. Most banks allow electronic transfers, and some even offer same-day or next-day transfers. Make sure you understand any limits or fees associated with transfers. Planning your transfers helps you avoid delays and keeps your savings strategy on track. Some high-yield savings accounts allow you to open a joint account with another person, such as a spouse or family member. This can make it easier to save together for shared goals. Joint accounts usually have the same insurance protections and features as individual accounts. Make sure both parties understand the account terms and responsibilities before opening a joint account. When opening a high-yield savings account, you may have the option to name a beneficiary. This means that if something happens to you, the money in your account will go to the person you choose. Naming a beneficiary is an important part of estate planning and can make things easier for your loved ones. Check with your bank for instructions on how to add or update beneficiaries. Interest earned from a high-yield savings account is considered taxable income. Your bank will usually send you a tax form at the end of the year showing how much interest you earned. Be sure to report this income when you file your taxes. While the taxes are usually straightforward, it's a good idea to keep records and consult a tax professional if you have questions. If you find a better rate or features elsewhere, don't hesitate to switch your high-yield savings account. The process is usually simple. Open the new account, transfer your funds, and close the old account. Make sure all automatic transfers and linked accounts are updated. Switching can help you maximize your earnings and take advantage of new offers. Some banks offer promotional rates or bonuses for new high-yield savings accounts. These can be a great way to boost your savings, but always read the terms carefully. Make sure you understand how long the promotional rate lasts and what you need to do to qualify. Sometimes, the rate drops after a few months, so plan accordingly. Some high-yield savings accounts come with special features like budgeting tools, goal trackers, or rewards programs. These extras can make saving more fun and help you stay on track. Explore what each bank offers and see if any features match your needs. Sometimes, a helpful tool can make all the difference in reaching your savings goals. Before opening any account, always read the fine print. This includes the terms and conditions, fee schedules, and any disclosures about interest rates or account requirements. Understanding the details helps you avoid surprises and ensures you know exactly what you're signing up for. If anything is unclear, don't hesitate to ask the bank for clarification. Security is crucial when it comes to your savings. Use strong, unique passwords for your online banking and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be cautious about sharing your account information and regularly monitor your account for any suspicious activity. Taking these steps helps protect your money and gives you peace of mind. If you ever run into problems with your high-yield savings account, such as unauthorized transactions or trouble accessing your funds, contact your bank's customer service right away. Most issues can be resolved quickly with the right support. Keep records of your communications and follow up as needed. Prompt action helps protect your savings and ensures a smooth banking experience. Make it a habit to review your high-yield savings account regularly. Check your statements, monitor your interest earnings, and make sure your account still meets your needs. Regular reviews help you catch any issues early and ensure you're always getting the best value from your account. Set a reminder to review your account at least once every few months. To get the most out of your high-yield savings account, keep your balance as high as possible and avoid unnecessary withdrawals. The more money you have in the account, the more interest you'll earn. Consider setting up automatic transfers to boost your balance over time. Small, consistent deposits can make a big difference in your long-term savings. High-yield savings accounts are perfect for short to medium-term goals, like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation. They're not ideal for everyday spending or long-term investing. Use your savings when you reach your goal or face an unexpected expense. Having a clear purpose for your savings helps you stay disciplined and make smart financial decisions. High-yield savings account is an excellent place to build your emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected bills. Keeping your emergency fund in a high-yield account ensures it grows while remaining easily accessible when you need it most. Planning a big purchase like a car or a home renovation, a high-yield savings account is a great place to set aside money for these goals. You'll earn more interest than with a regular savings account, helping you reach your target faster. Set a clear goal and timeline and watch your savings grow as you get closer to making your dream purchase a reality. Opening a high-yield savings account for your child is a great way to teach them about money and the importance of saving. Many banks offer special accounts for minors, often with parental controls and educational resources. Involving your kids in the process helps them develop good financial habits early on and shows them how their money can grow over time. Let's quickly recap the key steps to opening a high-yield savings account. Research your options, check requirements, gather documents, apply, fund your account, set up online access, and link external accounts. Remember to set goals, monitor your progress, and avoid common pitfalls. Following these steps will help you make the most of your savings and reach your financial goals faster. Opening a high-yield savings account is a smart move for anyone looking to grow their money safely and efficiently. By understanding the process and making informed choices, you can maximize your interest earnings and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key is to stay proactive, review your account regularly, keep an eye on rates, and adjust your strategy as needed. With the right approach, your savings will work harder for you. Now that you know how to open and manage a high-yield savings account, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Start by researching your options and take the first step toward a brighter financial future. Remember, every dollar you save today brings you closer to your goals tomorrow. Thanks for watching and happy saving.